Are you on the hunt for the ultimate vaping experience? Look no further. In this guide, we'll unveil the top-notch vape starter kits, perfect for beginners venturing into the world of vaping. Get ready for an extraordinary journey. Number 5. Geek Vape M100 Kit. The Geek Vape M100 Vape Kit, priced at just $60.42, is the perfect choice for beginners. Its straightforward operation and reliable performance make it an awesome vape mod. With a sleek and compact form factor, available in various attractive colors, the Geek Vape M100 is undoubtedly one of the best internal battery mods on the market. The kit's standout feature is its 2500 mAh internal battery, ensuring a full day of heavy vaping without the need to purchase additional batteries. Furthermore, its Type-C quick charging capability allows you to recharge in just an hour and 15 minutes. With a firing power of up to 100 watts, the Geek Vape M100 provides ample flexibility for new vapers to find their preferred wattage. The included Z Nano 2 sub-ohm tank enhances the vaping experience by delivering exceptional flavor, allowing you to savor the true taste of your e-juices. Navigating the device is a breeze with its user-friendly screen, displaying all necessary information in an easy-to-read UI, even under outdoor lighting conditions. The Geek Vape M100 kit comes complete with everything you need to start vaping, except for e-juice, making it a hassle-free option for beginners. Embrace a delightful and enjoyable vaping journey with the Geek Vape M100, your ideal companion for an incredible vaping experience from the very beginning. Number 4. Inokin T22 Pro. The Inokin Endura T22 Pro Vape Kit is your perfect companion for vaping, priced at just $87.60. If you're on the lookout for a starter kit, Inokin is a name you've probably come across several times. They are celebrated for producing the best beginner vapes, and the Endura T22 Pro has played a significant role in establishing their enviable position in the vape industry. What makes the T22 Pro truly genius is its ability to cater to beginners without compromising on functionality. Its approachability is enviable, making it incredibly easy for newcomers to pick up and start vaping with simple yet satisfying features. A standout aspect of the T22 Pro is its impressive 3000 mAh battery. This substantial charge capacity for an MTL vape kit is nothing short of extraordinary. With a wattage range of 9.5 W to 13.5 watts, the battery can last for days before requiring a recharge. Switching between wattages is effortless and doesn't involve any complex electrical readouts. 4 LEDs, each representing a different power level, and a single button to switch between them is all you need to operate this kit. For an unbeatable vaping experience that combines simplicity and outstanding performance, look no further than the Inokin Endura T22 Pro Vape Kit. Get ready to embark on a delightful vaping journey with this exceptional kit by your side. Number 3. Voopoo Drag Nano 2. The Voopoo Drag Nano 2 Vape Kit is here, and it's priced at just $36.29. This compact and stylish vape kit resembles the small box style of some disposable vapes, but offers so much more in terms of customization and cost-effectiveness. Don't let its size fool you. The Nano 2 delivers impressive performance and a range of features that'll elevate your vaping experience. With adjustable airflow, variable wattage, and refillable pods available in 2 varieties, the Nano 2 allows you to tailor your vape exactly the way you like it. Whether you prefer smooth and airy hits or a more intense flavor, this kit has you covered. Equipped with a long-lasting 800 mAh battery, the Nano 2 ensures you won't run out of power while you're on the move. Many vapers find that a fully charged battery provides them with approximately a day's worth of vaping pleasure. Designed specifically for MTL, mouth-to-lung vaping, the Nano 2 produces a discrete amount of vapor, making it perfect for those who prefer a more subtle vaping experience. For an even more discreet option, the 1.2 ohm Nano 2 pod is an excellent choice. Both the 0.6 ohm and 1.2 ohm pods feature a mesh build, guaranteeing you'll enjoy the full flavor of your e-liquids. Embrace the versatility, performance, and affordability of the Voopoo Drag Nano 2 Vape Kit. Elevate your vaping journey with this sleek and feature-packed device. Number 2. Freemax Maxis Solo Kit. The Maxis Solo Vape Kit is the perfect choice for beginners, offering amazing flavor and ease of use right out of the box. Priced at $69.99, this compact and reliable vape kit includes the top-notch Firelux Solo Subom tank, delivering an exceptional vaping experience with every puff. A standout feature of the Maxis Solo mod is its eye-catching LED mood lighting on both the front and back, allowing you to set various colors and modes for a personalized touch. The Firelux Solo tank holds up to 5 ml of A-juice and comes with 2 mesh coils, 0.15 ohm and 0.2 ohm, for optimal performance at 50 to 80 watts. Refilling the tank is effortless. Simply lift the top and reveal the fill port for quick and convenient refills. Powered by a single 21,700, 20,700, or 18,650 battery, the Maxis Solo mod ensures long-lasting vaping sessions. Opting for a 21,700 battery grants you even longer usage times due to its higher capacity. Recharging is a breeze with the front Type-C port, perfect for when you're on the go. The mod features a clear front panel that allows the LED lighting to shine through while providing a glimpse of the device's inner workings. The firing button and adjustment buttons are ergonomically placed for comfortable handling. Besides e-juice, the Maxis Solo kit comes with everything you need to start vaping, making it an excellent choice for hassle-free enjoyment. You can adjust the wattage up to 100 dB and fine-tune the airflow to your liking. Rest assured, the mod is equipped with over-discharge and over-amp safety protections, ensuring a worry-free vaping experience. For those seeking an attractive design, impressive performance, and easy operation, the Maxis Solo Vape Kit is undeniably one of the best options for beginners. Step into the world of vaping with confidence and flavor with the Maxis Solo. Number 1. Aspire Zelos 3. The Aspire Zelos 3 kit, priced at $71.03, is a true surprise package. Its sleek matte steel and glass design may appear unassuming, but inside lies an impressive powerhouse, a whopping 3,200 mAh battery, one of the largest for a starter mouth-to-lung kit. With this substantial battery capacity, you can enjoy days of vaping without worrying about frequent recharging, even with heavy use. The Zelos 3 offers an output range from 1W to 80W, giving you the freedom to explore various power levels for your perfect vape. What makes the Zelos 3 truly exceptional is its compatibility with the Aspire Nautilus 3 tank, unlocking a world of possibilities. The Nautilus coil range covers resistances from 1.8 ohms to 0.4 ohms, catering to diverse vaping styles, making it an incredibly versatile kit. The Nautilus 3 tank is a dream come true with its sturdy and leak-resistant sliding top-fill design. Additionally, the unique coil isolation chamber allows you to change coils even with a full tank of e-liquid, ensuring hassle-free maintenance. For beginners seeking a reliable and powerful vaping experience, the Aspire Zelos 3 kit is an unbeatable choice. The only slight drawback may be its slightly heavier build, but the benefits it offers far outweigh this minor concern. Embrace the Zelos 3 for its exceptional battery life and outstanding tank, a true winner in the vaping world. That's all for this video.